came up with an image and start preparing the workplace. When you try to repeat a drawing, you will never get exactly the same picture. Every time your creation will be unique. Practice drawing with me. I will help you make the process exciting and you will definitely like the result. Please support the development of my young channel and subscribe. You can mix paints to make your own unique colors. To get new color, we will need to mix the colors with each other on the palette we prepared. Write any comment here below this video, it will help my channel grow. New videos every day, subscribe and don't miss. Click and watch my next video on my channel, much more interesting.